FSLogix Apps is a unique and elegant solution that enables virtual desktop administrators to massively reduce the number of Windows Gold images, easily manage per-user applications, optimize license costs while assuring compliance, and eliminate some of their biggest problems in VDI and RDSH. Using image masking, a single Windows image can serve any number of users by presenting only what they're allowed to see. With the newly added ability to merge centralized profiles and applications from app containers into the user's desktop, FSLogix offers the most flexible and powerful solution to transform workspace management that's available today. Administrators have more applications and workspace variations to deal with than ever, and traditional application virtualization products often add undesirable overhead and still can't address all use cases. FSLogix enables enterprises to go easily from way too many images to a single, unified base image without repackaging applications, ever. What makes FSLogix different? Everything. Here's how it works. First, install all applications and components that anyone in your organization may need into your unified base image. Note that this image may ultimately be deployed to a physical PC, a virtual PC, an RDSH environment, or public cloud infrastructure. Next, install FSLogix apps into the same base image. FSLogix works transparently with the file system to dynamically hide any component of the Windows image, including whole applications, registry settings, plugins, drivers, fonts, and more. Integrated with Active Directory, admins may now set policies to determine which elements should not be visible to the user currently logged in. Which brings us to the final step. A user logs in. Instantly, the applications and components allowed for that user appear, as if the image was custom designed just for them. FSLogix is incredibly efficient because everything that user has access to runs natively on the system with nothing in the middle to slow it down, or add to the overall processing for that application. This is unlike any other solution that requires excess layering, sequencing, streaming, or other app virtualization approach that gets in between the user and their productivity. Not only does FSLogix apps run with the most minimal overhead, but in some cases will reduce system loading, increasing session density and user productivity. When a different person logs in, they get the desktop designed for them, or the group they belong to. Apps that were hidden for the first user appear, and others become hidden according to the productivity needs of the users. A big advantage of this approach is that it helps administrators comply with their enterprise EULAs, allowing IT to assign licenses to exactly the people who need them and no more. What about rolling out new applications, updating existing ones, or even rolling back if there's an issue? With FSLogix apps, rules can be easily changed on the fly. Icons will appear, change, or disappear, and the user is back to productivity before hanging up the phone with IT support. It really is that simple, but it gets better. Now, with FSLogix 2.0, you can add an unlimited number of application and profile containers for ultimate flexibility. A centralized profile container makes it easy to give a consistent user experience as users switch from one system to another, or if you're implementing non-persistent VDI. And sometimes you'll have applications that demand being on a separate server, either for resource, compatibility, or licensing reasons. Now there's a solution for those exceptions. Users log in as usual, and the FSLogix filters are applied instantly. They get their profile to customize their desktop, their application settings, and even their personal PST files for email. Again, only the applications assigned to that user are exposed. Additional applications will appear seamlessly integrated into the user's desktop, even though the installation exists outside the unified base image. Let's watch that process once more for an engineer. FSLogix apps containers provide a flexible solution for creating centralized application libraries and profile stores. With the combination of app containers and unified base images, administrators can address all application, plugin, and licensing needs for all users in your current and forward-looking deployment plans. FSLogix apps eliminates multiple layers of management infrastructure, creating a single, unified approach to image management, profile access, and application delivery. Please visit our website for more information or to try it out for yourself.